Migori ni jalup County Commissioner Marongo George Matundura odhiambo manyoro oloro kanisa ma St. Joseph of Messiah mayudore Rongo tok jariyo mane lamonegi kanyo wito ngimagi. Wachno nomiyo obila oreso jomoko 57 ma bende nodhi manyo thieth kanyo. Kata kamano kil mar kanisa no Bernard Achola nokwedo loro no kowacho ni odhi mako bura e doho. Omedo ni nitiere jogo ma ong'eyo kanisa no kaka jodak margi kendo gionge kama ginyalo dhiye.
Leo mtachagua watu wawili watatu, watasindikizwa na askari waende walete vifaa zenu, alafu kesho kila mtu ataenda nyumbani kwake au mahali popote, lakini sio kwa hiyo kanisa. Mambo ya watoto, wale watoto ambao wana wazazi, tumeongea na children officer, au watoto kesho wale wana wazazi watachukuliwa mahali pa salama.
As the DCC, he has the powers and the authorities, though arbitrary exercise as you have seen, to order such, because there is no reason that has been offered by the DCC to warrant the closure of that church. We are thinking of ways of countering that. We are moving the court to reverse those orders, because this is a church that has been in existence since 1970s. It's not something that's existed from yesterday. Some of these members of the church have only known the church as the only home. Some of them were born and grew up within the church. Now, ordering them to come out of the church, where does he expect them to go? Now, if you move to the church, you will realize that there are so many structures there with the property belonging to these people. Now he's closing down the church. He's asking these people to do an inventory and go and remove. How does he expect a few people, of course he has mentioned only 4, how does he expect 4 individuals to go and remove everything that is within that compound?